How to use Outlook's conditional formatting to highlight important emails. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to use Outlook's conditional formatting to make important emails stand out, here is the steps. First of all, open the application and then go to the View tab. Then tap on Current View and go to View Settings. From there, select on Conditional Formatting. From this tab, you will see a list of default rules like unread messages being bold and such other. Now tap on the Add button to add a new conditional formatting rule. Enter a name for your rule such as important emails and then click font to choose how the email will be highlighted. You can select a different font, size, style like bold or italic or color to make important emails stand out. Once you have made all the necessary changes regarding all of these options, you can select on OK. The next step should be to select or set up a condition. Only then your rule will be defined. So for this, tap on Condition Options and specify when the rule should be applied. In the filter window, you can define conditions based on From, Subject, More Choices or Advanced. Once all of this is set up, tap on OK. Once all of the conditional formatting window is selected, tap on OK again in the Advanced View Settings window to apply the rule. And just by this, you have successfully highlighted the important messages. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.